Happy snowy Monday, everybody. Just wanted to get on and post a short announcement going over the agenda and your assignments for this week. We are in our beef unit, so very similar to last. You guys will have everybody taking notes and answering questions in part 1. And then part 2, you again have a cooking option, or you have an open note quiz and cleaning option to get your full points for the week. So today is Monday the 13th. You guys are watching this or listening to this video, looking at the agenda. And then I will show you the assignment here in just a minute. Everyone is required to do part 1, and then you get the option for part 2. As you move along in the week, working on your notes, meal planning, shopping, if you choose to do so, again, not required, and or taking your quiz and finding a cleaning opportunity. Everything is due this Friday, the 17th. This is a short, just a couple minute YouTube video I want you guys to watch to get the intro just on different cuts of beef, different cooking procedures. And then through your guys' notes, again, just learning variety of cooking methods for beef, and then the correct internal temperatures for things like hamburgers and steak, and how to take the correct internal temperature, and then different cuts of beef, and then opportunities for full points. So this is what your weekly assignment looks like. Part 1 has 2 sections to it. There are beef notes, guided notes, and slides on Google Classroom for you. You're going to pay attention to how to properly label the primal cuts of beef at the end of the chapter. Usually these are on paper and you guys are actually labeling them. I realize you can't do that necessarily on a graphic on the computer. So please find a correctly labeled photo with the different cuts of beef online. You guys will be able to find one if you just type it into Google. And then you are copy pasting that image into your notes document to replace the blank image that's there. Okay, so pay special attention to that. Then, again, required section 2, this is important. Following these 2 links, you guys are going to record the proper cooking temperatures of the internal temperatures for correct doneness for hamburgers and for steak. Part 2, you are choosing to cook. Here, the Colorado Beef Council has recipe ideas galore, or if you guys have a family favorite recipe or something new you'd like to try on your own, letting me know what your recipe is. And then again, please do not forget your photos and your evaluation questions for that option. Option 2 is taking the quiz and cleaning. So Socrative.com, pre-beef 5. Again, your grade can only go up from here, so please utilize your notes and use your time wisely to be successful with that. And then completing cleaning after a family meal. Again, pics or it did not happen attached right here. Okay, so that is your assignment for the week to get full points for our beef unit. And then next week, same thing, but we're talking about yeast breads. So instead of quick breads, like our pancakes and muffins, we will be talking about yeast. So when we think of baking loaves of bread, dinner rolls, pizza, pretzels, calzones, any dough that rises. Okay, so I'm thinking of you all. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're getting into a routine in our new temporary normal, and hope everybody has an opportunity to be positive and productive this week, but also relax and get outside and get that sunshine again this coming weekend. Okay, as always, any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will talk at you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. And as always, don't forget, be kind, wear your seatbelt, make smart choices. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.